Hello. All right, so here's a quick demonstration of the shape recognition. So here we have a hexagon. Now I'm going to change it to a triangle. There we go. Then let's change it to a circle. Circle is the one that gives trouble always. Okay, good. So that's a circle. And then also left. So here's a rectangle. And next, we will go to the robot demonstration. Okay, so the first one to the right is for rectangle, then this one is for a triangle, that one is for a hexagon, and this one is for a circle. All right, so let's try a triangle. Oop. Crap. There we go. Okay. A triangle, right place, very good. Then we have another triangle. Very good, again, right place. And let's try a square. You should go the same place as rectangles. So. Well, it does go to the right place. It just didn't pick it up. I hope my hand didn't. Yeah, good. So here we go. One more. Should go to the same place. Perfect. And then let's try a circle, the most tricky one. Okay, it had to think a little for circle. And you put it in the right place. Perfect. I'm running out of hexagons. Let's put another and see it. Okay. Or is it thinking? It's deciding between, I think, a circle and a hexagon here. Okay, it decided one. Let's see. Okay, it decided it's a hexagon. Perfect. All right. So here is a pentagon. Okay, right place. And here is a triangle. Oops, I put it badly. That's my bad. I'm just putting it so that the robot can't get it. Let's try again. Okay, that went to the right place as well. And now I think we haven't tried a circle. It's just that I put it badly to pick up. Okay, now I should be able to pick it up. There we go. Okay, and finally a square, which I have run out of. Let's put this. Rectangle should go to the same spot. All right, perfect. Thank you.